So today I'm going to try smoking some meats. I got some hickory soaking here. It's been soaking for a few hours. Got the Orion smoker, some charcoal. Gonna go grab some meats, rub them down, let them sit for an hour or two, and see how it comes out. I got the hickory down there on the bottom. Got the water pan, a little bit of water in it, probably like 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. And I'm gonna start putting the meats in. So I'd really like not to use lighter fluid if I don't have to, but so we'll see if these will light up. So I'm having a little bit of a hard time keeping charcoal evenly lit, but I think it's going alright. Smoker's been going for about 2 hours now. Smells amazing. We got some leakage out the side there, which I think is a good sign based on other videos I watched. Let me tell you a little something so you could learn from my mistake. Basically, I thought I could light the charcoal without lighter fluid because I don't know, I just didn't want to use it. That turned out to be kind of a mistake because it was just a pain in the ass. I basically got half of it lit. It's pretty damp out, so that was probably part of the problem. And then I had to run over to Lowe's, get some lighter fluid. That stuff right there. And said odorless, which I thought was a good thing. And put some of that on there, and that really got it going. So basically I had it started kind of half lit for about half an hour. So that messed up my cooking time a bit, but I think she'll be alright. Alright, time for the big reveal. They've been on for about 2 hours. I got a London broil, top round, in there, and Italian sausages at the bottom. Let's see. Amazing. Sausages down here. Oh yeah.
Trying to wash my fingers.
No, wow, smoke litter. You ever seen those?
Oh, that's
Maybe that cost.
Don't put me on YouTube looking like this, bro.
No, like shop roast.